The Arabic alphabet is a beautiful and complex system consisting of 28 fundamental letters. We begin with Alif, the first letter, followed by Ba, which sounds like the English B. Next is Ta, then the soft interdental sound of Tha. We continue with Jeem, the breathy Ha, and the guttural Ka. Then come the dental sounds of Dal and Dal, followed by the rolling Ra and the whistling Zay. We move to the sibilant Sin and the stronger Sheen. Then we encounter the emphatic letters Sad, Dad, the emphatic Ta, and Da. These are followed by the deep throat sounds of Ain and Gain. Next are the letters Fa and the deep Kaf, then the lighter Kaf. We conclude the sequence with the liquid sounds of Lam, Mim, and Noon, and finally the letter Waw. Each of these letters has a unique place of articulation in the mouth and throat, requiring careful practice to master the correct pronunciation and melodic flow of the language.